Hey guys, here is my setup for hiking and photo shoot outdoors. I don't mind hiking far to do it. I'd rather not have people around. But I am wearing the Adidas hiking boots. Yep, Terex. Super comfortable, best hiking boots I've ever worn. You're not gonna hike Everest in them, but for my needs, they got the high top, they got the toe protection, and they got some grip, and they feel as comfortable as the Ultra Boost that I like. So highly recommend these for lightweight to medium hikes. They handle lava rocks and big boulders just fine. I carry underneath the, well, let's just go for it. I got a layer of cover up, which I bring the Skinswear trunks that I can take off and layer. I got an Amazon cheap sun shirt because it where I am will burn a lot. I carry, I oddly carry a like a sarong, like a women's sarong as a beach towel. Beach towels it take up too much space in your backpack. So I get this black sarong that I can crumple up and carry it very easily, and it doesn't dry very well, but it's small and does the job. I got a Ziploc bag with the camera remote shutter release. I use this with all my cameras for decades now, and it does amazing. And I put it in a bag. I should double layer this, but it has a remote radio signal attached to my camera, and I can go really far with it. And since I'm alone all the time doing this, this is the radio frequency selfie approach. I tend to bring a couple on a trip. You can see I labeled this one March 2023. They can break easily, the pins can get broken off, so I carry a backup on these trips where I know I'm going to shoot a lot of photos and I'm not going to be able to find this one locally if it does break. So let's move on. So I carry this Me Photo tripod, and I've used it on several trips. It's not ultra expensive. It does the job. I can carry it well enough. What I don't like about it is these side ties. You kind of squeeze them in like this to tighten them. They come undone and they slide around a bit. You can easily just redo them, but it's a little of an annoyance. But I'd rather not spend hundreds of dollars on a carbon fiber one, so I'm just gonna beat it up. I'd rather get, bust a couple of them for a lower price than a very expensive one that I'm gonna bust up. So I just had this dangly GoPro on. This is like the wrong space for the video, but what I do is I get these backpack attachments. I clip this to the shoulder strap of my backpack, and I got this GoPro going with me almost all the time, especially when I'm hiking, carrying the backpack. It's a fun way to kind of review the trip and whatnot. Here's my main camera. I got a new one. I got the Sony A7 R5. It's pretty good. The file sizes are huge, and you can see the wireless shutter thing. I just got wrapped around. It's still going. It's got the signal, and I got a tripod mount, cold mount tripod mount again. GoPro mount, GoPro on top of the tripod. One more time, GoPro attached to the camera with a cold hot shooter. How about that? So GoPro 10 shooting with the GoPro 11. And I got the very expensive Sony 50mm GM 1.2 cam lens. Running out of batteries here, and I've got the lens hood, camera, GoPro. I'm shooting with again a GoPro 11 with that selfie stick that came with it. My bag, the bag, got the North Face. I got a bag of swimwear, all kinds of stuff that you guys like on the channel, some things you've never seen before, hunting videos. So I got this whole big bag for you guys. That one that I wore earlier, the Modus, the Vindy. And what else? I got the water bottle on the side. This is a great North Face backpack you can bring on the plane. Got my GoPro batteries up here. These are the ones that are good to go. Fully charged. I got a Sony battery. The Sony camera goes through the batteries much faster compared to the old Sony cameras. I've got up front pocket, cell phones, car keys, stuff I need to get to right away. I've got, this is like a laundry bag that I bring, that I put my camera in the backpack so it doesn't get all banged up. I have another camera that I haven't used yet today, but it's the Sony vlogger camera, AV1. I got a bag of GoPro parts and pieces, attachments, mounts. Got all this stuff, but I can never really find the ones that I really wanted. As I break the piece on there twice today. Got a hat. Got an Insta selfie stick that I haven't used yet. What else? Water. Got some more swimsuits here. Got cell phone. That's another mount. That's about it there. I put all this stuff back in the backpack and carry it all within the backpack. Anything that's battery I put in the backpack for the flights. I carry it on my person. Tripods, plastic GoPro mounts. I try to chuck in bags so I don't have to carry it around. It's okay to do that for that kind of part, so long as it's on a battery. So that's what I do. Highly recommend this kit. It's a lot to carry. It's probably 30 to 40 pounds, if not more. I go hiking with it, build out my legs. It's a lot to carry, but I enjoy it. One of my big frustrations is that I bring so much stuff into some compartments. I spend a lot of time trying to find things. I lose stuff in the bag, and that's a fight all the time. So try to have a system where you keep the parts and pieces in the same spot each time, otherwise you just lose time. So you guys want to see what I'm wearing? So I got a rough skin shirt, got a Jack's thong, swimsuit on, baseball hat, Under Armour, which I'm not going to show you that much. And I'm at the beach. Well, I was saying, guys, I don't know where I got cut off on the video, but check out my other sites. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the what's in my EDC hiking backpack, photography, photo shoot gear. That was a fun one. I kind of did that in front too. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my YouTube members site. Check out OnlyFans, which is the one I'll recommend for the most supplemental content. Keep watching videos here. If you like this video, check out other ones. Small channel, but I'd like to get to 10,000 this year if that's possible. So leave a like, forward a video, post a Twitter post with one of the video links. that would be appreciated. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.